So guys, one thing you cannot stay without in Dubai is AC. AC will be on 247. The more you enjoy the AC, the more bills to pay. So I decided to create my own AC with these simple tools, yeah, so that I can enjoy the AC on a low budget. Stay tuned and watch to the end. Tell me your thoughts on the comment section.
It's a mindset shift. Happiness is the key to success. Star Daddy in the building. Let's